In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard in Zoho Creator. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your app, and then you want to click on Edit this application at the very top right. And then from here, you will basically have to create a new page, which is going to serve as a dashboard. Now, I have a dashboard already over here, as you can see, but I'm going to show you how to actually create one. You can click on the plus icon to add new, click on page over here, and then you can either start a blank or start from a template. Now, here's going to be a bunch of different templates. If you want to use any of these, you are free to do that. I'm just going to start from blank, so I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to name this dashboard 1, okay? And that's cool. I'm going to click on create page. And after that, here, as you can see, you can go ahead and create your dashboard. So here you can put on different things. You have a bunch of different components you can actually put on here. So this is completely up to you. I'm just going to drag some on to actually have something on here. But of course, in your case, you'll be able to, let me actually close this, excuse me. In your case, you'll of course be able to put on whatever you want and however you want to actually use it. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to put on a report, all tasks. Okay, let's say this is it. Okay, this doesn't really make sense over here, but just for this tutorial, it's going to do. And for each and every single one of these, you can go ahead and basically change the display. You can change the code if you want to, the action, the style, etc. And whenever you're happy with your dashboard, you can click on done up top. And in here, you can basically swap to your dashboard by clicking on your name of your app and clicking on dashboard over here. And it's going to basically pop up. You can then click on access this application, and then you're going to have the access to your dashboard. Okay, so that's how easy this is to make. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.